Good morning. Hope you had a really great weekend. So let's start today's video, that is Greedy Puppy. Today we will be talking about the step-by-step explanation of this so that you will understand. You just have to see quick recap and then you are good to go. Now let's see what is the question. So here they say there is one puppy, right? And so he is very greedy, right? In a nutshell, you just have to tell that n is a number of a coin, right? And k is the maximum number of people he can call. So a puppy can call the maximum number of people, and those people will divide those coins among each other equally. And if something is left, they will keep it to that dog. So what we need to find? We need to find the maximum number of a coin. Every time he has some coins, how many maximum a puppy can get after dividing it amongst the people, right? So this is the question. So here n is the number of coins. Like you're having 5 coins and he bark and he call the persons and 2 persons arrive. Right. So here n is 5 and 2 is k. Now when 2 persons arrive, then they just call them up. What they do, they divide those coins among themselves. So when you divide 5 among 2 people, two coins each, right? And 1 coin is left. So that left coin is with the puppy. That's it. So if you see here, the left coin is with the puppy. So here 5 to 1 is left with the puppy, right? And 11 and 3. So there are 11 coins. And when he started barking, he called 3 persons. So when he called 3 persons, what will happen? It's just 3 persons, they divided among the 3 people. So 11 divided by 3 will give you 3 and 2 is a remainder. So here 2 will be your output, right? So when you call it, it will give you that output. Okay, let's start with this. Let's start eventually and see how we can get the output. Okay. Now let's do the step-by-step explanation of this problem. So here, first you will enter t value. So here they are entering 2. T is 2. 2 is the number of test cases, right? Then here it comes 2. Now once to come, here it will ask the number of coins. So how many number of coins are there? If you see, there are 5. Here n equals to 5 is the number of coins and k is the number of people that arrived on that specific time. So 5 and k. Now let's count how they will divide it. For loop is each time they will divide by themselves and whatever is left over will be given to him. Right? So what we did, we just initialized the value 5 and 1 is less than 2. Yes, 1 is less than equals to 2. True. Then what will happen? Simply a equals to n. What is the value of n here? 5. 5 modulo 1. Right? When you divide 5 by 1, you will not get anything as a remainder. 0 is a remainder, right? Then it will check if a, that is 0, is maximum than 0. No, it will not go in this if loop. It will go back again for the for loop. There it will increment the value of I to 2 and 2 is less than equals to 2. Yes, 2 is less than equals to 2. Then what will happen? A equals to n. 5 modulo 2. Right? This time I value become 2. So 5 modulo 2 will be your value. So 5 modulo 2 will give you what? As a remainder, 1. You divided 5 coins among 2 people equally, 4, and you're left with only 1 coin. Alright. So here I will check. A is 1 greater than maximum value, which we have already declared 0. Then what it will print? It will print the value max 1. So max value will become 1. Right. So what it will do? It will come out here again. in this bracket, and then it will go back again to check the further condition. I equals to 3. Yes, I equals to 3. 3 is less than equals to 2. 3 is less than equals to 2. No, that's not true. So what it will do? It will go back here again and it will exit from this loop. Right? And here it will print the value of max to 1. Once it prints the value of max to 1, it will go and check for this while loop. Right? So what it will do? Come here, it will print 1. So when it print 1, right, it will come back here. Now here, the second condition, you have to find another value of n. So here the value of n is 11, right? And k is 3. And you see 11 and 3? Yes. N is 11 and k is 3. So what you will do? Let's start with the loop. I equals to 1. K value is 3. Right? First, it's 3, not 2. So, okay, 3. Now, it will come here and it will calculate the value of A. So, here, A value is N. N is 11. When 11 modulo 3, when you divide 11 by 3, what output it will give you? No, sorry. Here, N value is 11 and modulo I. This time, I value is 1. Step by step, right? I just jumped into the I value 3. No, 11 modulo 1. What it will give you? 0. When you divide 11 by 1, it will not go inside. It will give you 0 as a remainder. It will only go inside when the value of maximum is more than 0. Since we started the loop, so maximum value started from 0. Right? So here, both are 0. It will not go inside. It will go back here again. I equals to 2 and 2 is less than equals to 3. Right? When 2 is less than equals to 3, what it will give you? A equals to, that is n. What is the value of n? 11. Modulo 2. Right? So when you divide 11 by 2, what it will give you? So 2 5s are 10. It will give you 1 as a remainder. Right? So here it will come here and here it will increase the value of A. 1. 1 is greater than 0. Yes. So it will come here and increase the value of 1 as a 1. Right? It will go back here again. And here I equals to 3. 3 is less than equals to 3? Yes. Now I come back here. Now A equals to n. What is the value of n here? 11. Now this time 11 modulo 3. Because now I value become 3. I can write 3. So here 11 modulo 3 will give you what? 3 3s are 9. Right? And your remainder is 2. Here the A value become 2. And now it will check. 2 is greater than 1. Yes. It will come here and it will change the value of maximum to 2 and it will go back here again to reconfirm. Right? I equals to 4. 4 is less than equals to 3. No. It will get back from here and it will print the value of max to 2. That's it. So the value of max will become 2. This is how you will do it. Right? So thank you so much. If you like, please do subscribe and thank you.